in this video, I'll be talking about how to make your Sidra coin visible on MetaMask. That's for those that have connected their wallet. But if you are yet to connect your MetaMask wallet, of course, I've made a video on how to connect your MetaMask wallet to Sidra account. So you can check my previous videos, you will see it there. So welcome back to my channel, everyone. Before we delve into the discussion, if you are yet to subscribe, make sure you subscribe to this channel and also share this video with others. Okay, let's get it started. Now, of course, Sidra Chain introduced we connecting our MetaMask wallet to the Sidra account. Many people have asked the question, why is it that it is only MetaMask? But for now, the Sidra Chain explained that for now, it is only MetaMask that is allowed. But in subsequent time, that means in the future, they will give access to Trust Wallet, SafePar, and other decentralized exchanges. So now, if you have connected, you go to Wallet. Now, we want to see how you can make your Sidra coin, that's your SDA, visible on your MetaMask wallet. So you can see this is my wallet. So if you go to wallet, once you have connected, if you click here, you will have wallet 1, wallet 2, and if you connected more than one MetaMask wallet, you have wallet 3. For me, I connected more than one. Okay, so now you can see here the wallet 1 here is the Sidra wallet itself. That's the Sidra external wallet. Wallet 2 is the MetaMask wallet I connected. Wallet 3 is also a MetaMask wallet that I connected. So now how do you make this your Sidra coin on wallet 1, that's your Sidra wallet, to be visible on your wallet 2, that's inside MetaMask wallet? So it's just easy. All you need to do is go to your MetaMask. Okay, so once you go to your MetaMask, of course this is my MetaMask app. So once you go to your MetaMask, then you scroll down. You see there's nothing showing as such, but click on tokens. When you click on tokens, click on popular network. Then click on custom network. There's it here. So you can see this is Sidra chain. So select Sidra chain. You can see that I have 3.9 Sidra on my MetaMask. Yeah, that's SDA. So it's showing on my MetaMask. And I think transactions on MetaMask is actually going. You want to send it out to people or you want to receive from people, it's going through. So that's it. But before it can show like this, you have to listen. This is the step to take. You come here, just scroll to here and click on receive. Okay, when you click on receive, just copy your wallet address. Copy the Sidra chain wallet address. So once you copy the Sidra chain wallet address, then return back to Sidra app. Now when you return back to Sidra app, click on wallet 1. Now this is wallet 1. Now when you click on wallet 1, your Sidra digital assets, that's SDA, will be showing like this, right? Then you click on send. Then you paste the wallet address, that's the wallet address, your MetaMask wallet address, you copy, paste it here and click on continue. Now you can see it's showing still my name because I've connected it. So they've recognized that's MetaMask wallet, that it belongs to me. So it might bring up the name, that's my name, my username. Okay, so now the next thing to do here is how many Sidra coins you want to send to that MetaMask. That's for me. Let me send 1 because I'm just having 1.4 here. Okay, then click on confirm and send. When you click on confirm and send, the transaction should be successful. But currently, I guess the Sidra network is having some form of maintenance or issues. So the send button is actually not going through the way it should be. So you might click on send, it will tell you transaction failed. But once it does not fail, it's successful. Once it's successful, when you come back to your MetaMask app, you will see it there. It will be showing there. So that's how to make your Sidra coin visible on your connected MetaMask wallet. Okay, if you find this video useful, kindly drop a comment on the comment section. And if there are questions you have in regards to this video where you do not understand some certain parts, you can also drop your questions. And don't forget that I also am a Sidra KYC agent. So if you want to complete your Sidra KYC, that's for those in Nigeria, I can help you out in completing your Sidra KYC. That's in seeking for approval from the Sidra team. And aside that, if you want to sell or you want to buy Sidra coin, I actually buy. So I'm a Sidra coin vendor. You can contact me. I'll drop my WhatsApp number via the comment section. So just click on it, chat me up on WhatsApp, and we'll discuss better. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.